If you've ever opened a budget and immediately felt overwhelmed, this is for you. I built this spreadsheet to do the organizing for you so you're not juggling apps, notes, and calculators just to figure out where your money is going. The annual and monthly budget spreadsheet has 23 connected tabs that all work together automatically. The Setup tab is where you personalize everything. You choose your categories, budgeting method, currency, start month, and optional starting balances so the budget actually fits your life. The Recurring Transactions tab lets you enter income, bills, debt payments, savings, and subscriptions one time. From there, they flow through the rest of the spreadsheet without you having to re-enter anything. The Calendar tab shows your month at a glance. You can see due dates, weekly totals, and payments automatically cross off when you mark them as paid. The Annual dashboard gives you a big picture view of your entire year with totals, upcoming payments, balances over time, and category breakdowns that update as you go. The 12 monthly tabs are where day-to-day budgeting happens. You enter your projected amounts, log transactions, and everything updates instantly. The Account Tracker helps you monitor bank accounts, credit cards, loans, transfers, interest, and adjustments in one place. The 50-30-20 tab breaks your spending into needs, wants, and savings or debt so you can see how your money is actually being used and adjust if needed. If you budget as a couple, the Couples Breakdown tab lets you track two incomes and see everything together in one shared view. The Savings Planner helps you set short-term and long-term goals and shows your progress and timeline automatically. The Subscription Tracker keeps all recurring payments organized with monthly and yearly totals so nothing sneaks by unnoticed. And the Net Worth Tracker lets you see how your assets and liabilities change over time so you can track real progress. If you want a budget that's organized, automated, and actually easy to use, this is the one. You only pay once, you can use it year after year, and if you ever lose access, I'll send you a new copy. It's available in my shop whenever you're ready to start.